Hey guys, welcome to the first ever video on my channel. Okay, I need to talk about this. I wanted to do this in Slum, but then I never did it not because it feels a little weird to talk to the camera. It is a little weird, but then doesn't matter because I talk to myself anyways.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So, the reason I didn't do it before because I used to be like, what will people think they'll talk? But now it doesn't matter because they'll talk anyways. They just need a reason to talk. So
God, please, no! No! No!
So today, I don't know what is the video going to be about. It is going to be basically going to be a vlog. But for now, I need to go to meet my best friend because I didn't meet her since long. And she's like very special to me. Like, she is very special to me. So I need to go to meet her. So I'll catch her once I'm ready to meet her.
2 hours later.
So I'm all ready and I'll be leaving the house right now. And I cannot vlog when I'm going there because I'm going by bus and I can't vlog in the bus. People will stare, obviously. So within 15 minutes I'll be there and I will start vlogging after I meet her. So till then, I'm going back. Guys, so finally, let me know. So finally, after walking so much, waiting for the bus and all that crap, finally I met my best friend. Can you please show your face? Face reveal.
Hi.
Give me a mark. My lipstick looks something, but it's red.
I'm natural.
So actually we met like maybe 20 minutes back, but then we were deciding what to tell in the vlog. So we didn't vlog. So now after finally deciding, I met her. Done. So now where are we going? So now we are going to the church, Dekanagatte church, and then from there we are going to we're going to get something, and after that Bhuti is going to treat me. So yeah, going, no? Yeah. I look cute.
Yeah.
So this is the Dekanagatte church. I mean, obviously Mangaloreans know I'm simply wasting time, but then it's okay because we don't have anything to say. We need content. Wait, how do I flip the camera? Double tap it. Okay, guys. I don't know how to flip the camera.
What?
Stop it.
What the fuck?
Okay, wait.
2,000 years later.
So we are finally going inside. We are going to the church and then from there we are going to that shop right there. Okay, so we couldn't catch her at the shop because they were not letting us take the camera inside and we were not sure if we could vlog and there were people. That's why we didn't vlog. So now we are still here sitting. This nice place here to sit, nice sun, to click pictures. So we're still sitting here and probably going to
Like candles over there.
yeah.
So now she's lighting the candle.
Like they can't see.
Yeah, she's not wearing mask. See, she's not wearing mask.
There are no people here.
Yeah, actually, there are no people here. Should I light and we'll record?
Do it! Just do it!
Yeah, go live.
It's what are you doing? Yeah, it should be straight. So there are no people here, like no people.
Yeah.
So we'll click pictures and
Only
then
green here.
yeah. So we'll
Recording me.
click pictures and then we'll go to the Adda. So we're finally going. How much more? There. So we're walking There are no people here. I know this place is nice. I don't want people to be there anywhere. I don't like people. People are annoying. No?
Yeah, we are antisocial.
Yeah, we only deal with ourselves.
Yeah, our company.
So, what are we going to do here?
We are going to take class.
Yeah, we're going to collect flowers because we need flowers. Because I have a resin account and I need flowers for the resin.
Actually, we'll be putting the link in the description.
Yeah, thanks for promoting me and my account. So finally we reached the place and it's pretty cool. Like, it's pretty cool. How do I show them this? I can't.
Stop the video. Take another video.
Okay, nice.
It's so beautiful. It won't be that beautiful on camera.
Yeah, actually, but then this is nice. And we got friends here.
Yeah. See the other.
They're busy, probably doing I don't know what.
Must be playing hide and seek.
Really, bitch? Really?
Okay, you guys, so I think that's the end of the vlog because it's getting dark and we're tired. Not actually, she has exam tomorrow, so we need to end the vlog. Okay, you guys, so after
No, I mean, we had gone from
so
Where is my camera? Sorry, mask.
So we'll meet you there. Now we need to click pictures, so we are meeting you there. I need to ask somebody to teach me how to do that thing.
Ah, you saw this one. After he broke his camera because of that, he used to do he used to come to the camera and do this.
Doof.
Yeah,
I'm still vlogging for what? We're talking about others.
we'll put this in the bloopers.
Doof. Okay, stop. It already stopped. What am I? So, yeah, we're going.
Cringe into 100.
So what? Yeah, wait. Place is pretty cool. Like, it's cool. I mean, it's cool. You just walk like this thing.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
Yeah.
So if you like the vlog,
Hit the like button, subscribe button, share it, and wait for the next ones. Hit the notification button.
next video will be on Omegle. That's right. So yeah, bye.